how to remove continue watching movies or shows on Disney Plus. So it's real easy to go in and remove the continue watching section just in case you're finished watching something, but it's still sitting there. So go ahead to your Disney Plus app, and we're going to scroll down, and it should just be relatively to the top of your Disney Plus profile here. And what we want to do is I will just select something here. Here, I'll choose this because I really wasn't watching this anymore. So on every show or movie, you'll have the 3 dots at the right-hand side. So you just want to click those 3 dots. You'll get an option to see the details of that show or movie, or you can go ahead and hit remove. So we're going to go ahead, hit remove. And it's going to ask you to confirm removing it. We're going to confirm and hit remove. And that's it. It's real simple. It disappears. And that way you can slowly start to get rid of those continue watching things. If you've already watched something or you don't want to watch something anymore, it's easy to remove it. And that's it.